Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the new Cupcake Bouquet stamp and coordinating die set from Trinity Stamp's latest release called Sweet Summer. This sweet stamp set is containing 4 stamps and it's a 4x6 sized stamp set, and I just stamped all of the images out and I went ahead and colored it in with my favorite medium to use, and that is the Copic markers. I just think it's easy and you don't have to think too much to get a pretty nice covered image here. So I just had a blast coloring in all of these I would say frosted flowers on top of this cupcake. I think this is a really fun die set. So you can see that curved sentiment that you can have on top of your larger stamped image there. Since this is movable, for making your die cut perfectly, my tip is to just cut the die out first from some scrap piece of cardstock and then just lay your stamp inside of the guide there, so you know that the die will cut perfectly. So that is what I did. You can see here I just laid everything out and used my MISTI, and then you can go ahead and use whatever ink you like, and you know that your sentiment will be perfectly cut out. So now I will go ahead and use my die, and I will now know that I can line it up without any problem. So that is my solution for using dies and stamps like this that have sort of a curve to it, or that is really dainty so you don't mess them up when you are cutting them out. And also a piece of tape always help to have them in place. So here you can see it cuts between all of the letters, so you can place them however you like on your project. There is also another sentiment, Make a Wish, down there that is also cut out. I'll share it with you as well. And here's the large image that I created. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. If you like even more inspiration, you can always visit our Instagram, our Facebook page, and of course our YouTube channel. I will now leave you with some close-up from the design team. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!